Another word from you?
And put your hands behind your back.
He's detaining me right there.
Put your hands behind your back.
What's going on over there? Stop moving. Stop moving.
Get off of me.
You just
Get off of
chill
me.
there. So start moving. Step
Get
out.
off
You just
of
told me the car is stolen. Get out of the car.
In power over anybody.
That's a lie. You can say it all you want. Don't make it true.
Don't tell me how to move. You're not God.
I just asked you to please. I'm about to put you in handcuffs if you don't. I need to speak to people separately when it's a domestic violence possible issue.
Okay, I'm going.
Stop. Stop. You're under arrest.
Hello, welcome back to Analysis Media. I want to share with you a concept I've been working on with regards to narcissistic traits, personality disorders, whether it be narcissistic personality disorder or narcissistic traits within a sociopath. And the concept is ego panic. This is where the narcissism is actually an identity disorder. So someone lacks a sense of self or a knowable self, a unique identity, their essence or character is not there. And it's psychologically uncomfortable. They feel like nothing, there's a void, a hole. So what needs to take place to remedy this? Well, a self needs to be created, a false self. Enter delusions of grandeur. This is where one views themselves as entitled to abuse others because they're superior. Likewise, within the false self, they don't have a true self, so they lack empathy. Other people are objects, such as they are themselves. Now, if this delusion is threatened, if people mock them or dismiss them, that people can launch into ego panic, because their very existence is called into question. That's why they overreact and rage when this happens, when they're dismissed, treated as a nothing, which deep inside, that's what they feel like they are. And this causes ego panic, and the person that caused it, they have to pay. So these people have to prove to themselves and to the person, especially the person who caused them their fake self, to be questioned. They have to prove to themselves and prove to others that there are real consequences, real punishment, real anguish to back up this false self. They need to restore the delusion. You will see this play out in 3 videos in this sequence, the exact concept I just covered. Enjoy.
On June 2, 2023, an officer conducted a traffic stop for excessive speed.
A white Mercedes, New Jersey tag, I'll advise. Hi. You know why I'm stopping you?
I mean, no.
Do you know what the speed limits are? Because I've been trying to catch up to you since Seminole Boulevard.
I don't even know where.
Okay. So when you're on Seminole Boulevard, before you get to the triangle, then you go off to Madeira Beach, and then you go around, and then you made your right-hand turn here.
When I go over the bridge you're talking about?
Before that. So on Seminole Boulevard and 68th Avenue, you're doing 62 and a 45. And then you continued at a high rate of speed over the bridge, the Tom Stewart Causeway, the drawbridge there.
I use my cruise control over half the time, and if I don't even understand right now. Like, if I was speeding, like, why wouldn't have you, like, if I was speeding all the way over there, which I wasn't, like, why wouldn't have you just pulled me over all the way back there?
Because I can't drive recklessly to put other people in danger to put up with you. Can you please have a seat back in your vehicle for me, please? And then may I have your license, insurance, and registration, please?
Ma'am. Alright, I gotta call my dad. I'll talk to you later. No, I don't even understand. I've literally been home. Just stop. I need to call my dad, and then I need to call my lawyer, because this is literally ridiculous.
Echo 2, copy of 28. Can I have your registration and insurance, please?
I'm pretty sure my registration is in the house. My dad drives this car.
Okay, then have a seat back in the car so I can handle all of this.
Okay, so this officer just...
Have a seat in the car, please.
I'm on our... Can you just look at our... I will, just please.
Okay.
I'm just trying
I've asked you to do that 3 times now because this is a traffic stop.
I'm at my house.
I told you to sit in the car. Sit in the car, please. I've asked you multiple times.
I need a supervisor right now.
Sit in the car.
I'm not saying another word from you.
Put your hands behind your back.
He's detaining me right now.
Put your hands behind your back.
What's going on over there?
Let go of your phone so it doesn't break.
That's literally... My dad literally escaped with the DA. Do you want to do this? Do you really want to... Ow!
To 160th Avenue in Reddington Beach.
Papa, yes, you're writing now! I'm gonna literally sue this idiot!
Reddington Beach for Charlie 251.
Call our lawyer right now! Right now, my dad! Ow, you're really hurting my fucking arm!
Don't move.
Oh, she threw her, Mama, she threw her body cam. She threw her body cam on the ground. Why did you throw your body cam on the ground, my mom? You're a liar. I've been pulled into my house. You're saying I'm speaking under a secret. No, I swear to God, he's an idiot.
Get off of my daughter.
Oh my God, I've never experienced this in my life. I've been pulled in my house this entire time. Yo, you pulled your body camera off. Guess what? You should turn it on because you literally pulled your body camera off on top of my...
Ma'am, because you were resisting, it knocked it off. And don't worry, my car camera recorded everything.
Okay, record it. I requested a supervisor a minute ago. Over 10 minutes ago. Tell me your supervisor's name.
Sergeant Tacey.
What is your name and your badge number?
Deputy Mitchell will be on your citation and your arrest report.
I'm in nursing school.
Well, then if you would have complied, you wouldn't be in this position.
Are you her supervisor? I'm in nursing school. I have 4 months left. I've been pulled into my house. She said I was speeding all the way in something called Seminole Boulevard. I've never seen her car. She did not have her lights on. I've been pulled into my driveway and she pulled in my neighborhood, told me to get out of the car. Your house, knocked her body camera off. She just put it back on and threw me against my car. How many times? I don't understand what is happening. Like, I don't understand why she had to be so aggressive. I've never had any trouble with the law. Like, what is this?
Ma'am, I've explained it to you multiple times.
You told me I got out of the car to give you my registration.
To have a seat in the car, and you said you wouldn't because you were on your phone.
No, I said I'm about to get in the officer. Your body camera, if it was even on the whole time. Well, get back in the car 1 second. My dad wants to say something to you. He was on speakerphone, and you threw my phone on the ground and told me you were detaining me, and now I'm arrested. And now you don't have anything to say. Like, I'm literally 22.
Then you should obey the law.
What do you mean? Just because you told me to, I was getting in I got in my car when you told me. I got the stuff. I thought it was in the house. I got my registration and I gave it to you. I got out of the car and I handed you my registration.
I explained to you multiple times. You're given multiple lawful commands, and you did not comply.
My dad to, like, pick me up at if you're arresting me for real, like, please, like.
Yeah, your phone will come with you. Yes, ma'am, I am.
Like, I'm getting in trouble, like, I don't know what this even means. Like, what is it? I don't know what seriously, like, what does arrested mean? Like, what is my arrest? What am I getting arrested for, though? Can you
Obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Obstruction of the law. I gave you multiple lawful commands. You did not follow them.
Ma'am, I got in the car. I literally told you my dad is on speaker. I'm about to get in the car.
And then you got out of the car, and I told you to get back in the car, and you wouldn't. So this is why we're where we're at.
Ma'am, literally, please, like, I'm not even trying to, like, lie. Like, you literally told me to get in the car.
I got in the car and I found the registration first. If you have a camera on your car, I opened the door and I showed you I waved it to you.
And I acknowledged you.
And you came over to me and I handed you the paper. And my dad's on the phone and he was trying to say something. Wait, I'm about to get in the car. My dad wants to say something to you. You said,
well, you stay in the car.
No, wait.
Until your traffic stop is complete, ma'am.
What?
You need to stay in your car until your traffic stop is complete.
I've been pulled into my driveway this whole time, and then you turned your lights on, like.
Yep, because like I told you, I'm not going to drive reckless like you did in order to cut people off to get up to you. I maintain visual with you. I saw you make your right-hand turn. I see you right here. You're still in the car, so I conduct my traffic stop.
What have you been doing? I honestly,
Got it?
Do you understand? For somebody, my entire life is going to be over? Officer, I'm begging you. What's happening now?
Your vehicle's being searched.
For what?
The odor of marijuana.
No, seriously. I don't. I'm serious. I'm a good Christian.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I was in the process of getting one in New York, but I haven't been.
Okay.
Axon and Davis with him. He doesn't need him.
My dad has one. And he's the one who usually drives that car, so I really don't even know why you're asking. I don't even know. What is she doing? Evidence bags? I'm so confused.
Yeah, that was on. That was in the back seat. So.
Thank you, gentlemen.
We're here?
The van's gonna come pick you up.
A van? Are there gonna be other criminals in there?
Potentially.
If he doesn't want to take his medication orally, I'm sure we can arrange that he can have it some other way.
Stop!
Just relax.
How can I relax? I have 2 months left of nursing school, and now this is gonna be on my record. I won't even if I can continue school, I can't even take the NCLEX. I can never even
For what?
work with
Why
it.
wouldn't you be able to take that?
Because if I have a misdemeanor or anything, they don't let me.
Well, back to the matter.
You can't be a medical professional.
I know multiple people who are in the medical field who have felony charges.
All right, well, look it up. I swear to God, look it up online. You won't be able to take the NCLEX, the National Board Nursing Exam, if you have any.
Back to the matter being.
Look at me right now. This is so.
Stop. Trying to get yourself stirred up. Right?
I am.
I know, but fact of the matter being, these things generally don't go anywhere, and they throw them out. Just relax, get through it. They'll release you in a couple hours, and more than likely, this will go away. All right.
Oh my God, I'm already dragging this thing.
They're not. Step on in.
Nah, you're all right. There's plenty of room. I got your back.
Hello.
Hi.
Deputy Go at the Sheriff's Office. There's some stopping you as careless driving. Do you have your license, registration, insurance on you? Why are we driving like that?
You're the one that turned around and started coming behind me.
Yes, I am a cop with lights on and a siren. So yes, I did turn around and drive like that. Absolutely.
Actually from the other side, and I was not driving fast.
You were doing 70 when I got you on radar, and you sped up to 90 after I turned around, which is ridiculous. Where's the registration?
Actually, this is a stolen car.
Stop moving! Stop moving!
Get off of me!
You just
get off of
two
me!
up there. So stop moving. Step out! You just told me the car is stolen.
Dude,
get out of the car!
It's a
Stop.
joke. So get off of me!
Stop.
I'm recording you too.
Get out of the car!
So, what?
Separate your feet!
Interlock your fingers behind your head.
Just do it! Hurry up, you fucking piece of shit! He's been hurting me, so what the fuck do you want me
volume so I could understand what you're trying to say.
If I can! You guys have no fucking concept, fucking idiot.
Put your arm down. Just put your arm down.
I can't even move them.
This is ridiculous. You know that? Going to jail for no reason, right?
You're taking me to jail for no reason? My son has to
Lean
be
forward.
picked up.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Hold on, I'm gonna.
Yeah, I just tried. Appreciate it, man. I don't know where it is.
There's a guy?
Huh?
There was a guy?
No, it's not her idea. So I come up, I'm talking to her. First she's doing 70 on second. She sees me flip around, speeds up to 90. Weaving in and out of people. I stop her here. But
Do you need any additional damage?
no, we're at 7-4. Thank you, 7-4.
She 47?
No, so she's sitting here, I'm talking to her, and I was like, registration? She's like, the car's stolen. I was like, get out of the car. What? It's like, whether I know it's a, no, my cat's been all jacked up all day. Whether or not she's joking around or not, like
who says that? Why would you? Like, yeah, I'm just like committing a felony.
And the way she was driving, I was like, I believe it. So, the car could absolutely be stolen.
About 600 north. Hi.
Hey.
How you doing?
Okay. How are you doing?
Good. We had a call about a disturbance here.
There's no disturbance here. I'm not here. We're just talking.
Okay. Well, it looks like you're.
We haven't yelled or nothing.
Looks like you're trying to talk to someone that doesn't want to talk.
No, he had his window down. We've been talking. We had some house stuff to talk about and stuff, and we're just talking. He just keep him warm, I reckon. I don't know. I didn't ask him to get out.
Well, his window was rolled up. That's weird.
Well, you weren't here the whole time because his window wasn't rolled up. He rolled it up when he turned on his heater. But
she's leaving and I'm going.
We're not. There's no disturbance. Somebody lied to you. I would get them for false reporting because we hadn't had a disturbance.
Okay.
That I know of.
So are you doing okay?
Oh, good. I'm good. Good. I'm just going in and she's leaving. So.
Yeah, we were just talking about some stuff.
Was there somebody else here? Because I'm confused now.
I am too. We didn't hear anything. Nobody's
yelling. Maybe she was yelling through my window or something.
No, I was not yelling.
Talking loud, excuse me.
No, I was talking just like that. I wasn't talking loud.
What's your name?
Monty.
No, we haven't talked. I talk like this.
Are you guys ex?
Yeah.
Ex-wife? Okay.
So we still have some.
Who's the landlord?
Jeremy.
Any idea why he'd be calling?
Maybe she was yelling through the window.
No, but maybe I don't know. Monty, I was not yelling. And
Well, I had the window closed. Maybe.
No, I was talking. This is as loud as I talk, so you can call that loud. Maybe tell him.
How far out are you?
We were just talking, and he hadn't even. We don't have any issue. We were just talking about.
Can I just talk to you inside later in just a sec?
Sure.
Excellent, thanks.
Sure.
Okay. No, I was just leaving. We were just talking. That's all we were doing. We're not arguing. We're not mad.
Okay.
Nothing.
Can you take your hands out of your pockets for me? Well,
they're cold.
Can you just keep them out of your pockets, please?
No, I don't have. You don't feel? I don't have anything in my pockets. Well, don't be silly.
Why don't you settle down a little bit, okay? It's something I do for my safety.
If somebody comes up and harassing you, you would get a little like, why are you harassing me? I didn't do nothing wrong. So
who's harassing you?
It feels like harassment.
I'm just asking you what's going on. I need you to stay here.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
I'm investigating a potential crime, okay?
There's for crying out loud.
Okay.
Now you're exaggerating.
I need you to settle down.
There's no.
Based on the information I got.
I can talk.
Based on the information I was given.
You're not in power over anybody.
I'm about to put you in handcuffs if you don't stop.
Not put me in handcuffs.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
So let me tell you what the call was.
I've done nothing
Let me tell you what the report was.
I don't care what the report was. He just told you we weren't doing anything, and we are the two people involved.
Nah, normal speed's fine.
So
we got a call that you were being disorderly out in front of the house.
That's a lie.
That you were shouting at him.
No shouting.
And that you were not letting him get out of the car.
Never did. I was just standing there talking. We were just talking. He never said, move. I'm going to get out of the car. He had the heater on. He turned it off. He started the car back, and we were just talking.
Okay.
And I was leaving. We were about. I gave him a piece of mail that came to the house that he needed, and then we started talking about we got to sell the house, and we were talking about pricing and just different things.
Okay.
We weren't arguing at all. There was no.
Well, can you understand how it would look to me when I come walking up here and his windows rolled up and you're being kind of loud?
You know what? I wasn't being kind of loud. That's a lie. You can say it all you want. Don't make it true. Your opinion doesn't make facts true. So
What's your name?
Brett.
What's your last name?
Same as
What's your date of birth? Okay.
There is nothing. Go get whoever said that.
Well, that's what I'm going to.
You know what? Me and Monty.
Can you just stand still, please?
Easy, girl. Easy now.
Don't tell me how to move. You're not God.
I just asked you to please stand still.
I asked you to quit bossing me around. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
I asked you. I'm not bossing.
You know what you're doing, sir. You know what you're doing.
I asked you to stand still,
You know what you're doing. Stop.
Will you please?
Your ego is out of control.
I said, please. Will you please just settle down?
Doing anything wrong?
We were having a perfectly fine conversation.
Yeah. Me and Monty, are we the? Did he tell you there was no problem? Did I tell you no problem?
Well, people.
And we didn't see anybody.
So I need to speak to people separately when it's a domestic violence possible issue.
Okay, I'm going.
Stop. You're under arrest. Okay, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands
Stop
behind
it.
Your back. Put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest.
Okay, I'm not doing nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
Ow, you hurt.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting.
Just stop right now.
Stop resisting.
Okay,
Put your hands behind your back.
I am. Stop
Put your
right
hands
now.
behind your back.
Stop right now.
Yes,
Stop.
expedite
You're
now.
out. No, you're lying.
Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your
I'm
hands
not.
behind your back.
I didn't do nothing, sir.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Stop. Please don't make this something it's not.
Put your hand
I had
behind
shoulder
your back.
surgery. Will you stop?
Put your other hand behind your back
I
then.
didn't do nothing.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Listen, stop. Just stop right now. Stop.
Behind you.
You are harassing me. Please stop.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing. I don't have a weapon.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your
Ow,
back.
you hit my head. Please
Put
stop.
your hand behind
I'm
your
not
back.
doing nothing
Put
wrong.
your hand behind your back. Put your
I
hand behind your back.
Hey,
put your hand
you know
behind
what?
your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Ow! Ow! That hurts!
Put your hand behind your back.
He's hit me! He's hit me!
On your back.
He's hit me!
Roll over.
He just hit me in the face!
Put your hand.
Roll over. I didn't do nothing! I didn't do nothing! I did nothing! He hit me in the face!
Okay.
He hit me in the face!
Stop.
He hit me in the face, please!
Stop.
All I did was walk off! That's all I did!
Yeah.
That's all I did! I didn't do nothing!
Stop. We'll figure it out.
I did not do nothing! He hit me in the face like 3 times!
We'll figure it out.
You got a lawsuit! You got a lawsuit! You thought you cannot do that to somebody! I didn't do nothing! I did nothing! Get the medical here! Get medical here! Right now! Right now! He busted my car! He busted my car! I didn't even move my hand! I didn't do anything! Oh my God! This is not my dog! All I did was just say I'm leaving! He has nothing! I didn't do nothing!
63, show me out on that auto pit.
I said I was.
You alright?
We had a little get together. He's being stubborn about getting checked out, but he said he's alright.
I'm alright.
So we're just.
You alright?
I told him I want to take
No,
him down.
I ain't alright. I need about $1 million and then I'll be alright.
Well, you ain't getting that, so.
Yeah.
Well, no shit.
I'm trying to get him. He's always
You go ahead and get that.
I want to get you down.
I got that, I can put that motherfucker on.
Okay.
Even though it's a complicated son of a bitch.
Yeah. Alright. Well, so what do you want to do? I can take it.
63, he's not injured, no ambulance needed. Can you run Michael Spurlock?
No. I think I'm on the roof. Flip that booger over. I don't think you're going at it right. There you go.
Yeah, I got the tools at the house. You know where I live.
You didn't do that on purpose.
No, sir.
63, did you get my last transmission?
Tenderizing the chicken. I'll come by you.
Stop by the house. You know where I be.
I'm glad that you are somebody I know.
Hey, hold on. Don't go anywhere yet.
What do you mean don't go anywhere yet?
Exactly what the fuck I mean. Don't go anywhere yet.
Hey, what the fuck have I done?
I was.
What?
What happened?
He hit me accidentally.
EMS is not needed.
I was looking that way to go, and I was starting to ease out. And the next time I see a flash in front of him, he goes.
I was worrying about flat. Now, I ain't worried about a flat. Look at that fucking wheel. Wee! Where were you driving? I got to fix a flat in that son of a bitch. And it ain't supposed to fix my super tire. It adheres the tube to the tire. And that son of a bitch is leaking down. Boom, bang. What's this shit? I'm trying to drive with it. Now, where do you go? All right, am I through?
No.
What have I got to do?
You gotta wait here.
What for? Tell me.
Till we finish our investigation.
Investigation? There ain't
Matter of fact, have a seat. Have a seat on the curb.
Matter of fact, I was out there laying.
Have a seat on the curb.
You're not listening to me.
Have a seat
That's
on the curb.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Have a seat on the curb.
She hit me. I mean, he hit me, and I thought he saw me.
Hey, have a seat on the curb.
I'm gonna look for my stuff, young man.
All right, turn around.
Come on now, wait a minute.
Hey, relax.
What are you doing?
Hey, you're gonna have a seat. Sit down.
I'll try to have a seat if you'll let go of me. You don't own me.
Put your hands behind your back.
We need him now.
63, go ahead, roll an ambulance.
Got a car, don't you? A car for what? To get me home. No, I don't have a car to get you home in. Come on. Mr. Skurlock, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to a warrior. You have the right to have a warrior present at any interview at the place or district. You have the right to terminate any interview at any time. You don't have to make a statement, but I must warn you, any statement you make will be used against you. You're charged with public intoxication. I'm going to set a bond of $581. Can you make bond, sir? I take that as a no.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? What do we do?
Oh.
He got the laceration on his head. Okay, payment plan or this? Yeah, payment plan. Okay.
Oh, how am I here?
You got arrested for public intoxication yesterday.
I got beat on this today.
Having to sign that, fill that out. If it has any information, we'll go from there.
Man, I ain't got no way out of here.
No, you're getting out. You're getting out. Stand right here for me.
Oh, God.
Let me get everyone at the best you can.
Man, I can't see.
Huh?
I can't see. How do I sit? Here.
Right here. Sign your name the best you can.
Okay.
December 8th, 2023, 37-year-old Thomas Brocuglio was driving his company vehicle with the dash camera on as he approached a red light at the intersection of France Street and Cromwell Ave in Rocky Hill.
What are we doing, kid? What are you doing?
The truck he was honking at was being driven by 57-year-old off-duty Meriden Police Corporal Alan Ganter.
Wait all day. Oh.
That's when Ganter got out of his truck, flashed his badge, and approached Brocuglio.
Really? Where does it say that? It says stop here on red.
Corporal Ganter began taking pictures of Brocuglio's license plates. Brocuglio accused Ganter of being on his phone as the confrontation escalated.
I saw you looking down doing everything else. No, I was moving something in my bag.
Ganter then threatens to give Brocuglio a ticket and call his supervisor.
Sure, sounds good. Let me get your badge number. You want to get arrested?